Welcome back to Overheat, Dodge 4x4 Motorhome 2026. Outside, body shape, probably a modified box or van with a robust yet aerodynamic design. Custom steel front and rear bumpers with toe points are known as off-road bumpers. Underbody protection, to prevent damage to critical parts. Heavy-duty armor plates are placed beneath the engine, transmission, transfer case, and fuel water tanks. External lighting, additional off-road lights on the front and sides, along with LED work lights are on the vehicle's perimeter for visibility during nighttime camping. Windows and doors, double security locks on a sturdy entry door. Double-pane acrylic windows that are impact-resistant and well-insulated. Inside cockpit space, cozy driver and passenger chairs that, when stopped, rotate to join the living space. Galleries, a small but practical galley including a stainless steel sink with a fold-down faucet, a 2-burner induction or propane stove, a low-power refrigerator freezer, and a large amount of space for storing food. Sleeping area, convertible sofa table or fixed bed. Storage beneath the bed. Dining, guest area, a sliding or folding table that can be used for either working or eating. A bench with concealed storage. Interior materials, sturdy, moisture-resistant, and easily cleaned materials. 4x4 drivetrain outfitted with an advanced 4-wheel drive system. It may be a full-time 4x4 with an optional 2-speed transfer case. Suspension, or robust suspension system. Designed for off-road use, may be featuring strengthened springs and high-performance shocks. Tires, big mud or all-terrain tires with strengthened sidewalls that are fitted on tough off-road or beadlock rims for traction and durability. Engine, strong Cummins diesel or V8 Hemi gasoline engine with lots of torque for navigating steep climbs and pulling big loads. Off-road GPS with topographic maps is an example of an off-road navigation system. Cameras, 360-degree, and backup cameras for navigating challenging terrain. Locks and alarms, strong door locks and an advanced alarm system.